Khan's Maths 5 Plus, page 53. Dear students, today we'll have some activity time. Count and write how many objects are left. In a garden, an apple tree had 5 apples. 2 apples fell down. How many apples are left behind there on the tree? Count on your fingertips. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So, there are left behind 3 apples will be the right answer. Now, do on your own the remaining exercise. There were 6 eggs in the tray. 2 eggs broke. How many eggs are left behind? Hence, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 eggs will be the right answer. There were 4 bluebirds on the branch of a tree. 1 bluebird flew away. How many bluebirds are left behind there on the branch of tree? Hence, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 bluebirds are left behind will be the right answer. Respectable teachers and parents, explain the concept of subtraction to the children by counting numbers in backward counting or counting through writing numbers. Tell them that a minus sign is added between numbers to subtract them and an equal symbol after them to write the total number in subtraction. Practically demonstrate the concept of subtraction by placing and removing different objects from the table, counting them over and over again. Ask the children to practice subtraction and tell the sum. Encourage them for their keen interest and great efforts. Thank you.